So it's been about 10 minutes or so, and yet our subcooling hasn't gone up, and our pressures are still pretty low. So we're gonna go ahead and add another half pound in there. It's gone up, our subcooling, like 2, which is fine. Add about 8 ounces in there, see if we get a big change. Inside the house it's probably maybe like 75, 78. Outside is, you know, 78 as well. So I wanted to wait 10 minutes to get everything charged, just to make sure we're charging her equipment right. Just gonna add a couple more ounces and then call it a day. Yeah, you can hear the change in tune of the compressor. I'm just gonna add a little bit more. We should be good with that. So this is the same unit here, but we're gonna add surge protectant because we don't want that board to burn out for us. So I ended up adding 2 pounds in there, and I got our subcooling to about 8, and our high side was about like 265, 270. And yeah, she's good to go. So, but I went downstairs, already shut off this power, but we're gonna double check it here. You can also use my new little Klein clip here too if I wanted. Haven't tested them out yet. Yeah, seems, it's telling me everything's good. I like to test with that. Since it's new, I don't like trusting it, so yeah, we got 0 volts here. Yep, so everything's turned off. Safety first. I'm not gonna die on a surge protection here. So this is our surge protection here. It's a rectal seal. It's a tiny one, but it does the job. And it's super easy to install. Got our grommets here. This is our piece. So what I like to do is I like to start off here, punching a hole on the side. I don't know if you can see this here. Punching a hole here. Super simple. As you can see, punched out. There's a hole. What we're good and then gonna do is we're gonna need this nut. These wires, we're gonna pass them in through here and press them there, and then feed these wires through here, this side. And again, we're gonna push them in. And then, yeah, we're just gonna tighten her down. This line is kind of in the way. This line is kind of in the way, so I'm just gonna super good in there. Normally I would just spin this, but I did it that way. That's fine. And this. So we're gonna connect our ground to ground. This is super simple. Got our other ground right here. We got our other ground right here. So what I like to do is, because these are going to be going together, I like to kind of strip them long and twist this together, because sometimes it's hard to get a good connection in there, or to press it in there together. It's a little bit tough. This way just makes it easier. Okay. So first one. Then we'll do the same thing here for our line. So line is our power coming in, and load is the AC unit, the condenser. So simply we're just breaking the connection before it goes into the outdoor unit. Okay, so yep, good. Then we're left with our other black, and that goes to the line, even though it's white. This thing is huge. Okay. And that's it. Just put our plate back on. That's good. I'm gonna turn our breaker back on here. And then yeah, here's your Vector seal. Cool.